Catch someone's eye. Get someone's attention. The bright sign caught my eye. Her painting caught everyone's eye. Put your foot down. Be firm and refuse to change your decision. My mother put her foot down and said no. The manager put his foot down and changed the rule. Pull some strings. Use influence to help someone. He pulled some strings to get the job. She knows people who can pull some strings. Off the hook. Free from responsibility or trouble. You're off the hook this time. He got off the hook after explaining what happened. Stick to your guns. Keep your opinion or decision. She stuck to her guns. Stick to your guns if you believe you're right. Lose your touch. No longer be as good as before. He has lost his touch. I think she lost her touch. Sleep on it. Think about it before deciding. I'll sleep on it tonight. Sleep on it before you decide. Know something by heart. Memorize something completely. She knows the poem by heart. I learned the speech by heart. Get a move on. Hurry up. We need to get a move on. Get a move on or we'll be late. On your own. By yourself. I finished the work on my own. She lives on her own. Give it a shot. Try something for the first time. I've never done it, but I'll give it a shot. Give it a shot and see what happens. Make yourself at home. Feel comfortable and relaxed. Come in and make yourself at home. Our guests quickly made themselves at home. Cross your mind. Think about something. The idea never crossed my mind. Did it cross your mind to call her? Get the hang of it. Learn how to do something. I'm getting the hang of driving. She got the hang of the game quickly. Have a sweet tooth. Like sweet foods very much. I have a sweet tooth. He has a sweet tooth and loves chocolate. Keep your head above water. Manage to survive a difficult situation. We're trying to keep our heads above water. She worked hard to keep her head above water. Put words in someone's mouth. Say that someone meant something they did not say. Don't put words in my mouth. He put words in her mouth during the discussion. Have second thoughts. Start to doubt a decision. I'm having second thoughts about the trip. She had second thoughts and stayed home. Go back to the drawing board. Start again with a new plan. The idea failed, so we went back to the drawing board. They had to go back to the drawing board. Keep your eyes peeled. Watch carefully. Keep your eyes peeled for the bus. We kept our eyes peeled for the sign. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.